For the past 4 years, the Toyota Highlander has been the best-selling retail vehicle in the extremely competitive mid-size SUV segment, and this 4th generation raises the bar even further thanks to its injection of serious style, performance, and premium features. The new Highlander is offered in 18 different configurations spread across 5 trims, ensuring there's a model to meet anyone's needs. Like the previous generation, this grade strategy includes all-wheel drive and hybrid variations for most trims, but it also includes some new configurations, namely hybrid models with front-wheel drive. In terms of crafting Highlander's exterior appearance, Toyota's designers sought to achieve an organic blend of power and sophistication. With this new sculpted styling, Highlander makes a statement, whether it's pulling up to the restaurant for date night or cruising down the highway with your crew on an epic road trip. And underneath this distinctive body lies Highlander's Toyota New Global Architecture, a key component that enables the model to achieve larger, lower dimensions for a more athletic appearance, as well as allowing fitment of eye-catching 20-inch wheels. This exterior isn't just about looks though, with Highlander also offering standard LED lighting on all grades, an available moonroof, or, in the case of the Platinum grade, a power panoramic view moonroof. Roof rails are also available, as is a hands-free power rear liftgate that enables cargo area access even with hands full of grocery bags or sports equipment. The 4th generation Highlander has a premium interior that's sure to impress both driver and passenger alike, from its driver-focused interior layout to the dash-integrated design of its touchscreen multimedia systems. But Highlander's interior goes far beyond its style, with its great convenience features, including a standard power driver's seat, in-dash storage areas, and rear seat reminder. There's also available rain-sensing wipers and an available 1500-watt cargo outlet on select hybrid trims. Highlander doesn't come up short on comfort offerings either, with standard 3-zone automatic climate control and several available features like heated and ventilated front seats, heated second-row seats, heated steering wheel, and even glazed caramel leather trimmed seating available on Platinum grades. Like the exterior, Highlander's interior benefits from the TNGA platform, which helps deliver improved cargo space behind the 3rd row, as well as impressive passenger room in both 7 or the available 8-passenger seating configuration. In terms of in-cabin technology, every Highlander offers standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and SiriusXM All-Access 3-month trial, as well as 5 USB ports for charging your own hardware. And on select models, drivers can feel like the DJ of their crew with the available JBL sound system that pumps 1200 watts of power through its 11 premium speakers. This audio multimedia platform simply offers a variety of entertainment choices, whether it's music, podcasts, audiobooks, or catching up on phone calls, as well as multiple navigation options, all of which comes together to help make every trip fun and stress-free. Plus, drivers can enjoy the best-in-class 12.3-inch touchscreen display, standard on Platinum and available on Limited. The new Highlander offers great convenience too, with features like available Qi-compatible wireless charging ensuring there's no fumbling for a cord. Similarly, the convenient and standard smart key system enables drivers to leave the key fob in their purse or pocket when starting, entering, or exiting the vehicle. Highlander also supports Toyota's line of connected services, including standard Wi-Fi Connect compatibility on all models, and available Remote Connect to locate your vehicle, lock or unlock the doors, and even start the engine, all from your mobile device. This new Highlander comes standard with the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 suite of active safety technologies, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicyclist detection, as well as lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. And for added peace of mind, Toyota's Safety Connect service also comes standard with roadside assistance, an emergency assistance button, stolen vehicle locator, and, in case of an accident, automatic collision notification, allowing Toyota's 24/7 response center to notify emergency services with the vehicle's location. Highlander further rounds out its safety story with standard blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert on all models except L, as well as useful features like available front and rear parking assist and automated braking, and an available digital rearview mirror that shows what's behind the vehicle, even when the cargo area is packed with items. While Highlander's powerful engines ensure that it has no shortage of get up and go, its real performance lies in its incredible efficiency and capability. To this end, Highlander's hybrid models have rewritten the book on what's possible for this segment, thanks to a best-in-class EPA-estimated 35 miles per gallon. The other key performance story is Highlander's capability and versatility, which can be seen in its newly expanded drivetrain offerings. For Highlander's 4th generation, hybrid models will be offered in front-wheel drive, perfect for Sunshine State drivers that don't need the added traction of all-wheel drive and would prefer a lower cost of entry instead. Of course, Toyota's hybrid electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system remains a staple for those who do need extra traction. And for gas models, a choice between front-wheel and all-wheel drive continues for the new generation. Now there are 2 all-wheel drive options: a mechanical system and a sophisticated dynamic torque vectoring system available on Limited and Platinum that can distribute engine power to the left and right rear wheels as needed to enhance traction. Additionally, both of these gas all-wheel drive systems include standard multi-terrain select, meaning that drivers can enjoy environment-specific capability off the pavement, whether in a Vermont snowstorm or on a San Diego beach. And as icing on the cake, both of these all-wheel drive systems also feature the fuel-saving driveline disconnect function to help drivers get every last mile out of their tanks. The TNGA platform comes into play here too, with its chassis strength and suspension design enhancing vehicle agility, while also ensuring a smooth and quiet ride. Highlander's value story is set to continue shaking up the segment in a big way, just as it's done since its 2001 debut. And that means more than just approachable pricing. It also means ownership perks like the Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan and roadside assistance, and great coverage like the 60-month, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty and the 96-month, 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty. Rounded off with a famous reputation for quality and long-term value, and it's clear that Toyota has another home run on its hands with the 4th generation Highlander.